Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to accept your admission on JAMB CAPS, because I've been receiving questions. I've received admission, how can I accept it and stuff like that. So basically you should know that accepting your admission now has been made easier, because you can now accept it through SMS, just the way you checked your results and also the way you got your profile code. So right, you will be heading straight to the message app. So message app, then you go to where you have your start message. Then you should remember the jam number you are texting to 55019. All right, so I have it saved there as jam. So I'm going to construct the message now. This is the prompt for you to accept your admission on JAMB CAPS. So what you need to do is to type your registration number. So let me see, my registration number is 2025551523456 7JF. Then you space it. All right, you space it and you type accept. Okay, so you type accept. So this is just what you are going to do, and after you have done that, you click on send. Right, so you wait for it to send. Then you receive this message that it may cause charges on your mobile account. Then yeah, send. Then yeah, that is me waiting for JAMB to send me an update. Definitely they wouldn't send me an update because I've not received the admission, or rather I'm not expecting admission anyway. Jesus Christ, can you imagine? Subscriber has insufficient balance. Like MTN just waits for every slightest opportunity for them to embarrass me. Can you just imagine? Something that is going to be public. Like, it just told me I have, Jesus Christ, I don't have sufficient balance. So yes, please, I know you guys have sufficient balance. You guys have money. Thank God I don't have sufficient balance. Like 15 naira cannot just wait like that. So if you take notes, they're actually going to charge 15 naira. Okay. Okay, so that is just how it would be. Okay, so I have not received any messages because I did not apply for JAMB this year, and also I was not given admission in CAPS. But if you have been given admission in CAPS, it will tell you that you have successfully accepted your admission, and so that is how you can accept your admission. So after you have done that, the next thing is to head straight to your JAMB center, or head straight to your book to print your admission letter, because you'll be using it for screening.